Dear, will these pretty sonnets that you sent were ordered and created all in vain? I'm of a downcast melancholy bent, all thoughts of procreation I disdain. Though some do say I'm blessed with looks and wit, the dullest blade might bear a burnished hilt. Within me there's a gloom I can't remit, that swamps the praise of those who prize mere guilt. I'll not supply another girl or boy to brave life's ceaseless turmoils and deceits, to struggle in a world I don't enjoy, whose fruits are shallow triumphs, deep defeats. Let's leave the risks and toils of screeching birth to those more prone to nurture